Practice reading for beginners.
Digraphs and sentences.
Consonant digraphs, two letters that make a single sound.
SH.
Sash, sash, sash. Fish, fish, fish. Wish, wish, wish. Dish, 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 dish. Posh, posh, posh. Hush, hush, hush. Push, push, push. Rush, rush, rush. Sash, fish, wish. Dish, posh, hush, push, rush. Can you read? She put a sash on a doll. She put a sash on a doll. She put a sash on a doll. She has fish in a dish. She has fish in a dish. She has fish in a dish. What does she have? Fish. She has fish in a dish. Mom will push the big bag. Mom will push the big bag. Mom will push the big bag. Who will push the big bag? Mom. Mom will push the big bag. What will Mom do? Push. Mom will push the big bag.
Thank you for learning with us. For more free lessons, subscribe, like, and share this video. And for free printable worksheet, visit our Facebook page at iCan Tutorial Services.